Welcome to eIACUC Study Amendment Training. Amendments may be initiated by any person listed on the protocol. However, only the PI or the designated secondary study contact may submit the protocol for eIACUC review. Amendments are for minor changes only. They are for adding and removing personnel, changing and adding titles, adding and removing funding sources, and adding new strains of approved species, as long as it doesn't change the number of the animal count for the study. If it will change the number of the animal count, a procedural change is required. Amendments are a type of modification. To open an amendment, click on the New Modification button on the left side menu of the study. In Section 1.1, click on Amendment. This will open the page where you will pick the type of amendment. In Section 2.1.1, click on one or more changes that you are making. Then save and click Continue. If you clicked New or Additional Titles, you will have the Update Title page. Make your changes to the main study title if it's changing, or additional study titles if you are adding or changing those. Click Save and Continue. If you are changing the funding source, click the funding source in 2.3.1, click Save and Continue, then enter the information in 2.3a.1 and 2.3a.2. Then click Save and Continue. Personnel changes will be made using the drop-down menus in the three boxes shown: the secondary study contact, secondary investigators, and research staff. Please note, in the research staff area, the eIACUC cert expiration date. If there is no expiration date, or if the expiration date is expired, the amendment will be returned to you for correction. Click Save and Continue. Additional strains. List the animals and animal numbers you want to add. Be sure to indicate which animals will be replaced. If the animals being added will increase the number of animals above the approved number, withdraw this amendment and submit the request using a PC. Save and continue. Finish amendment changes. Click Save and Exit if you are not ready to submit. If you are ready to submit, click Finish. Please be aware that clicking Finish does not submit the amendment. After clicking Finish, you will be brought to the Modification Overview page. Please note the current state is in pre-submission. Under My Activities, you have the option to submit amendment to eIACUC or withdrawal. Please remember, only the PI or the secondary study contact may submit the amendment. The PI or the secondary study contact can submit the amendment to eIACUC. Notice that this window, the current state is pre-submission. After you click Submit Amendment to eIACUC, a new window will open. Click OK. Amendments will be approved by eIACUC staff or a veterinarian. Shown here are the states the amendment may be in at any one time. It is only approved when it is in state 18. To see the state the study is in, click on the Modification tab in the study window. The changes made in the amendment are not approved until you see the word Approved as noted in the previous slide. Questions can be sent to iacuc@usf.edu, or you can address one of the staff members noted on this slide.